thinking about your love.
Welcome back to this channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we are doing Kima Braid Ocean Wave, and we're using 5 colors today. We're using color 30, color 27, color T1B 27, 𝐒𝐔𝐁𝐒𝐑𝐈𝐿, and color 2. Here I am showing you the different colors, and basically I'm taking one strand out so you can see how each color looks by itself. Alright guys, so all I did was 20 braids going back. I did 1 braid behind the ear going to the back of the head. I did that on the right and on the left. I brought them back and joined the braid on the side, on the right side of the back of her head right there. This is a technique that I use whenever I do straight, wavy, or light curly hair, because I don't want when wind blows for your scalp to be showing between those lines. And so I do this bridge braid, and basically what it is I make a line and I connect the front braids to the back braids eventually. But what I do is I part the hair, I take a little bit of hair, I put the braid down, and then I continue the bridge braid straight across the head. So I keep going. And then I put a braid down like so. I just keep braiding. I put a braid down, and then I braid over that braid and pick the hair, the next hair that is after that braid, and I just basically keep going until I have created this bridge braid that is going from ear to ear, or behind ear to behind ear, if that makes sense. So when I'm done with this bridge braid, then I part bigger lines in the back, because of course the hair falls to the back, so you don't see any lines or anything like that, especially because of the bridge braid. You don't see any lines between the back of the head. Like if wind were to blow, the hair will not separate where you will see the braids going down. Make sense? So after I have done the bridge braid, I braid it all the way to the end. I add the tip of the bridge braid to this back braid that I'm making. I braid that down, I part the next line, I start braiding down a little bit, I add the tip of the first braid that I did to this second braid. And so I just keep doing that until the tip of each finished braid is incorporated into the next cornrow that I'm doing. Make sense? So basically I work from my left to my right. And this is my last braid. I'm going to braid it down a little bit, and I'm going to incorporate the last braid that I just did into this cornrow, and I'm going to also pull the bottom braid from the ear to ear braid that I did first into this. So basically when she takes her hair down, all she has to do is release one braid and she can get to all the other braids. She will pull out all the other hairs that are incorporated into them, and she can just take her hair down systematically. So when I'm done with that, I feed the end of the braid into the bottom part of the hair of the cornrow that I've already done, and then I'm just going to crochet it in between the hair to make sure that the tip is completely vanished. This way, when she is cutting her hair, when the hair is old and she is cutting it, the tip of her regular hair does not accidentally peek out and then she ends up cutting her hair. Here I'm just going to fill in the bridge braid. I'm going to concentrate on the bridge braid and just put crochet hair all over it. I must tell you that I am using a small crochet needle. Put the needle through a portion of the cornrow, not through the entire cornrow because that will be too bulky. Hook the hair onto the latch hook needle and close it. Crochet needle out, pass the hair through the loop 4 to 3 times. Twist the loop 3 times, pass the hair through it again and push the hair to the base of the scalp. And that is how I secure straight or wavy hair. This is one of the methods that I use. I have another method and I will show you that in my next video. But this way the hair does not come out like at all. I am not necessarily going in a specific pattern when it comes to the color of the hair. I am basically adding the colors as I go along. If I've added too much white, I will add a little bit more brown. I'll throw in some black. I'm basically just mixing up the color as I go. And so this is something that is fun and you can do for yourself. One design may not necessarily look like the next design. So if you decide to do this hair, don't worry about trying to make it look exactly like mine, because you're going to come up with your own pattern, your own technique, your own style, and yours is going to look pretty too. So one of the things I need to tell you, the 8 inches, the reason why I like to use 8-inch hair and not a 20-inch and cut is because the 28-inch hair, the tip has already been feathered, it's already been finished. And so even though it's 8 inches, it looks long enough, it looks finished, it looks clean, and I love that. As compared to buying a 20-inch hair and then cutting it in half. I know you'll get more. If I were to get a 20-inch hair and cut in half, I basically have 2 packs in one. I'll have 2 10-inch bundles in one pack, if that makes sense, because I cut the 20-inch in half. But then I have to spend time feathering the end, and I really didn't want to do that. I like the way that the 8-inch curl falls, so I stuck with the 8 inches. This hair took me like 4 hours, girl. It was a lot of work, but it was so worth it. I will try to include the picture in here, but it was so exciting for Harlem 125, which is the company that makes this 𝐒𝐂𝐑𝐈𝐍. They posted this work that I did on their Instagram page. I was so beside myself. That was so fun. I was like, yay, some recognition. So that was really cool. So I will post that in there. And also we took a trip to New York, and she got a lot of compliments on her hair. So I'm going to insert a picture on there so you can see that also. This hair was, she saw a picture on Pinterest, and it even looked like this, but it was a lot of colors. So she's like, oh, this is real cool. So I went to a store, I picked up a few colors, and we made our own, and it just came out so beautiful. I am really proud of this work, and I hope you guys can appreciate it. I hope you can see all the work that went in there, and there was no way I was not going to record this for you guys. I wanted you guys to see it so you guys can try it too, and I hope you like this as much as I do. My name is Marissa JOAT, Welcome to this channel. I hope you will stay, join the fam. Don't be shy, say hi, make a comment below and let me know how many different hair colors you have actually used in your hair. Like, I have done a maximum of 3. I've never done 5 colors before. Leave a comment below and let me know how many colors you've actually put in your hair before. Okay, I appreciate you so much. My other video, guys, you need to see that. The video that says Senegalese twist, gosh, it's like 14,000 views. Thank y'all so much. I hope this is going to hit it too. So don't forget to share. Now listen, if you like this channel, if you like me as much as I like y'all, you need to share this video. Not only share, okay? You have to make a comment. You need to engage on the video. The only way right now that YouTube is working or getting anywhere for anybody is through engagement. So engagement means that you need to be active on the video. You say something and I say something. You share it, okay? So share the video, make a comment, like it. You have to do something. Make a move. Dislike it or like it, share it and make a comment. That is what is going to promote this channel. Y'all know I've been here for a while. All these things I want to give away, but I'm waiting to hit 1,000 subscribers before I do this big giveaway. And so share it. We're like less than 300 to hit less than 400 to hit 1,000 subscribers. So if everybody can share to 20 people, we're going to hit that 300 plus number really soon, so I can do this giveaway, because I can't wait for y'all to see it. I will talk to you guys later. I appreciate y'all so much. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.